Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back and open your setting and type on Apple ID and type on password and security and type on change password. Enter your passcode and put your new passcode and tap on verify. After this, check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem not fixed, then go back and scroll down and type on sign out. After 15 seconds, you can sign in and check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then and type on media and purchase and type on view account and scroll down and type on purchase history. You have make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, then paid for them or remove them. After that, check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on country region and tap on again country region. Scroll down, select your any one country. I'm select United States. Terms and condition, read carefully and tap on agree. Tap on again agree and tap on none. Scroll down, put this information. This information is fake. You can write information, select your state. My state is California and put your zip code and put your phone number and tap on next. After this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, and go back and type on Apple ID and type on media and purchase, tap on view account and type on manage payment. Make sure update payment method, credit and debit card and put right information, especially CV and expiry date. After this, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.